Are you tired of plastic bottles that you use once and throw away? Are you tired of paying for products that contain over 2/3 water that's been shipped across the country? Are you looking for a new approach to home and body care that makes it easy to reduce plastic waste and save money on safe and effective plant-based products? Good news! We're Cleanyst, a revolutionary system for mixing your favorite products with an easy-to-use appliance, concentrated ingredients, and reusable bottles. Just add water from your own tap, and at the press of a button, you mix up products that are better for you and better for the planet. Why? Because you make them yourself, with naturally derived ingredients in these beautiful reusable bottles that will eliminate hundreds of single-use bottles and help shrink your carbon footprint. And the coolest part is that you save money because we're only shipping necessary ingredients in minimal packaging. Our system features patented micro-batch technology that lets you easily and safely mix a very wide range of products at home for the first time. Here's how it works. Ingredients pouches are delivered directly to your door. You load them into the appliance along with an empty bottle. Select the mix type, and Cleanyst does the rest. In 2 to 3 minutes, you will have a perfectly mixed product that is ready to use and guaranteed to work. We launch with a complete line of 10 everyday products, even thick ones you probably never thought could be easily mixed at home. All products will be available in either free and clear or naturally scented with botanical extracts and oils. We never use dyes, synthetic fragrances, or harmful ingredients. If you're feeling creative, you can even personalize the free and clear concentrates to mix your own scent creations. Cleanyst was co-founded by 3 brothers who spent most of their careers on the inside of the packaging and ingredients industries.
As suppliers of plastic packaging, we felt like we were part of the problem, and we wanted to be part of the solution.
They were also in the know about the high water content in most products and thought we all deserve a better deal. And this is only the beginning.
We have the team, we have the experience, and we have the passion.
Help us fund Cleanyst, and together, let's mix it up for a cleaner home, body, and planet.